Okay guys, we got a little unboxing video for you today. And she is going to be doing the unboxing and telling us what we have here. Let's go. Yeah, put it up on the thing. I put the other one up there first. We'll do those last because that kind of gives away everything.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, she did it. She did it. This has not been opened. It was already open from the UPS guy. It's kind of annoying. All right. Start with the other package first. There you go. Yeah, yeah.
These look like, I'm gonna say a word, and I think I've heard you say it before.
Okay.
Shock plugs.
Never a word I've ever said, and no.
That's what they look like.
These are stainless steel braided brake lines. Okay.
These are stainless steel brake lines.
They are not shock plugs. So yeah, we got a whole set of them here. Moving on, what else okay.
It'd be nice to have some background. They're from Z1.
Yeah, what are they? Oh, this whole package is from Z1, by the way.
Oh. This is something for your brakes.
No.
Oh, here we go. It says it on the back.
Oh, what does it say?
Oh, it's a rear sway bar bracket kit.
Okay. Okay, next.
These are rotors. I don't think I'm right.
No. Not even close.
Differential bushing kit?
Yep.
How was I gonna guess that?
I don't know.
I've never even heard of that.
Rear differential bushings. These, actually, you can see a visual here. They go here. They sandwich
Like that?
Yep. The frontward, the forward portion of the rear diff.
Okay.
These are Z1's polyurethane
So next
rear
up.
differential bushing kit.
Oh, this is a rear differential bushing kit.
Yes, it's part of that. That one goes in this portion.
It's like that.
Yes. Because our rear differential bushings are shot.
These are just bolts.
They are bolts. Nice. You got one right off the start.
Actually, I got two right because I got this one too.
Okay, good. Without even reading it?
Yes, I didn't read this one.
These are seat bracket bolts because a couple of mine were chewed up and nasty. Actually, one of them was, but I got two.
Is it okay if I tear the paper?
Yeah. Pull it all out.
How do I open it?
Don't cut your fingers off. Just, you can just cut it with the tip. I don't even know what this is actually.
Ah.
Oh. You don't have to take all of it out.
This is a really big bolt.
Yep.
And then this is this is it's a something. I think my guess is going to be a rotor again because this one really looks like one.
No.
Or some sort of caliper. No, it's not a caliper. It's not a caliper because I know what that is. Judging by the inside,
what did you just open that is very similar in shape to that?
the differential thing? Bushing kit?
Yeah.
Is this a...
That's a removal tool.
Oh.
So that helps get the old one out. We're going to find out if it's worth $140.
Okay.
Oops. Oh, careful. This is the one I am most excited about.
This is the one that I know. This is a rotor.
Ooh, that is a rotor. That is Z1.
So that's
Lightweight,
what a rotor is.
2-piece, sprinkle slotted rotor for the 350Z.
Didn't I guess rotor for this one?
You did. And also another thing.
So this is what a rotor is,
That is a
guys.
brake rotor.
This is a brake rotor.
Yeah, 2-piece, lightweight. How much does it weigh?
Definitely not light.
No, pick it up.
I don't know why they call this a
What do you
lightweight.
guess?
Oh, probably 10 pounds?
You're close. I just weighed.
Actually, 15.
Ah,
16.
very close.
17? Weighs more than our dog.
We'll have to get the scale and weigh them to compare. But here, these are rears.
Those look heavy.
This is Q50 non-sport brake rotor.
Is
Oh! Is it heavier than that one or lighter?
This one's a little heavier.
Yeah, definitely
This is
feels.
probably 22 pounds.
Wow, I think you're very close to that. We'll have to weigh. So the Q50 non-sport brakes definitely feel heavier than the Brembo rotors for the 350Z.
Sprinkle rate.
These are sweet. Can we open the bag a little?
Yeah. That's so cute.
Wow. Excited about those. Is that all that was left in that box?
Yeah, just another rotor.
Okay, so we got two. We're starting with the fronts. And then I think we just have this box left here.
This is a sway bar.
What?
It's a sway bar.
Nice job. How'd you know that?
Because I've seen one before.
This knife is not sharp anymore. Okay.
This, my friends, is a sway bar.
Is it the front or the rear?
Front.
Did you not open some corresponding parts just a couple of minutes ago? Do you remember the rear sway bar brackets that you just opened?
I didn't know those were for the rear. I thought those were for the front.
It said rear. You read rear.
I read it?
The new Z1 sway bar for the Z. It is adjustable. It has 2 points of adjustment, but they're quite stiff, and it is definitely substantial. You guys have seen the rear sway bar, factory rear sway bar on the Z. They are just little and scrawny, so this is going to be a huge upgrade for that car.
This says front.
It's a rotor, you dork.
Oh. Yeah, guys, this is for rear.
Okay, we do have one left. Careful pressing, you don't know what's in there.
Metal. Thanks. Oh, brake pads. I know what this is because we changed Mom's one time.
We did.
Yeah, these are brake pads.
These are the StopTech street pads for the Brembo brakes, front and rear. This car needs them badly, so we've had good luck with the StopTech street pads in the queue, so we just went ahead and grabbed them. Apparently these are on a back order, so if you're looking to get some StopTech pads, just keep that in mind from Z1 Motorsports. They are currently on back order.
I hope you enjoyed this video of me guessing Dad's orders. If you think we're cool, hit the like button. If you think we're really cool, you should subscribe for more awesome content.
Even if you don't think we're cool, please subscribe. Stick around, more videos coming. Thanks for watching this unboxing video with a girl who knows nothing about what she's talking about.